MsiEmbeddedUI Table. The MsiEmbeddedUI Table defines a user interface embedded in the Windows installer package. Windows Installer 4.0 or earlier, not supported. This table is available beginning with Windows Installer 4.5. The MsiEmbeddedUI Table has the following columns. Columns MsiEmbeddedUI, the primary key for the table. File name, the name of the file that receives the binary information in the data column. The name of the file is required to include an extension. For example, the name MsiEmbeddedUI.dll is acceptable, but MsiEmbeddedUI is unacceptable. This field can contain a short file name or a long file name, but it cannot contain both. The format of this field is like the file name column data type, except that the vertical bar separator for the short file name / long file name syntax is not available. Because some web servers can be case sensitive, file name should match the case of the source files exactly to ensure support of internet downloads. Attributes information about the data in the data column. The value in this field can contain one or more of the following constants. Constant hexadecimal meaning none, not x00, not the file is not the DLL file for the user interface. It may be a resource file used by the user interface. MsiEmbeddedUI not x01, the primary DLL file for the user interface. No more than one row in the table can be marked with this attribute. If multiple rows are marked with this attribute, it is an error and it cannot be guaranteed which DLL is used. MsiEmbeddedUI not x022 enables the installer to invoke the embedded UI during a basic UI level installation. The installer ignores this attribute if it is not combined with the MsiEmbeddedUI attribute. Message filter specifies the types of messages that are sent to the user interface DLL. This column is only relevant for rows with the MsiEmbeddedUI attribute. This field should be null if a row references a resource file and the value of attributes is null. If a row references a user interface DLL, the value in this column should not be null. The value in this column can be a combination of the following values. The installer ignores any other values. Constant hexadecimal description instalock mode for telexit not x000011 premature termination. Instalock mode error not x000022 error messages. Instalock mode warning not x000044 warning messages. Instalock mode user not x000088 user messages. Instalock mode info not x00001016 unlabeled status messages. Instalock mode file assign as a not x00002032 files currently held in use. Instalock mode resolve is OS not x00004064 source resolution requests. Instalock mode entity space not x000080 disk space messages. Instalock mode action start not x00100256 action start messages. Instalock mode action data not x00200512 action data messages. Instalock mode progress not x0040001024 progress messages. Instalock mode common data not x0080002048 UI initialization messages. Instalock mode initialize Nort X0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 4096 UI start message is sent when a product installation is starting. Instalock mode terminate Nort X0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 8192 UI shutdown messages sent after a product installation has finished. Instalock mode show dialog Nort X0, 4, 0, 0, 0, 16384 messages sent prior to the display of UI dialog. Instalock mode MFILESINUSE Nort X0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 3, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2 files currently held in use. Instalock mode install stud Nort X0, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, 7, 1, 0, 8, 8, 6, 4 installation of product begins. The message contains the product's print name and print code. Data. This column contains binary information. If the attribute field is marked with the MsiEmbeddedUI attribute, the information in this field must be a DLL. If the attribute field is not the MsiEmbeddedUI attribute, the information in this field can be a resource file in any format. Remarks. To use an embedded user interface, the setup developer must author this functionality into the Windows installer package. The MsiEmbeddedUI Table defines the embedded user interface. The DLL for the embedded UI should export the initialize MsiEmbeddedUI handler and shut down MsiEmbeddedUI functions. Packages that do not support an embedded user interface can use the Windows installer internal user interface. To run debugging tools for Windows on an embedded user interface, use the techniques described in debugging custom actions. Set the value of MsiBreak to MsiEmbeddedUI. For an example of an embedded custom UI, see using an embedded UI.